Wait, before you buy anything online again, stop scrolling. Because what I'm about to show you can literally cut your shopping costs by 30, 40, even 60% without changing where you shop. This is exactly what smart shoppers use, and today I'm revealing it. Hey everyone, welcome back to AVS Online Stores, your hub for e-commerce hacks, travel tricks, digital product savings, and smart online tools. Today I'm breaking down something incredibly powerful, the Smart Shoppers Savings Vault. This isn't just another tips video. This is the exact blueprint that helps smart buyers unlock hidden deals, secret discounts, and unlisted offers that most people never see. Stick with me until the end, because I'll show you how to grab your own copy using my link in the description, and trust me, you'll thank yourself later. And yes, the full guide is available in the description, so don't miss it. Look, everyone loves online shopping, but most people don't realize there are discounts and price drops happening behind the scenes every single day. The problem? You only see the public price. But smart shoppers, the ones who never overpay, use hidden methods to unlock better deals. That's exactly what the Smart Shoppers Savings Vault teaches you. You'll discover price timing strategies, hidden discount paths, buying shortcuts, advanced comparison tricks, and automated tools that help you pay less for everything, whether it's fashion, accessories, digital products, software, travel bookings, or daily essentials. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert or coupon guru. The Vault walks you through everything step by step. How the Vault saves you money. Real examples. Imagine you're buying something for rupees 1,999, but smart shoppers use a simple timing trick and get it for rupees 1,199. Or you're purchasing software for work, but the Vault shows a different buying route where you pay once instead of every month. Or maybe you're planning a trip. Most people just book instantly. Smart shoppers check two things and save thousands. This is the kind of real, practical value inside the Smart Shoppers Savings Vault. And to make it super easy for you, I've placed the link to the Smart Shoppers Savings Vault right below this video. Just tap the link, download it, keep it on your phone, and use it before every purchase. Smart shoppers don't buy less, they simply buy better. They use knowledge, timing, tools, and strategy. And honestly, that's the goal of this channel, to help you shop smarter, save smarter, and live smarter. So if you've ever thought, why do others always get things cheaper than me? This vault will show you exactly how they do it. Either way, if you're enjoying this so far, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Drop a comment telling me what category you want to save the most on: fashion, travel, or digital tools. And make sure to subscribe to AVS Online Stores because I've got more powerful savings guides coming up. All right, if you're ready to start saving real money on every purchase, go grab your copy of the Smart Shoppers Savings Vault right now. The link is waiting for you in the description. Click it, download it, and start using these saving secrets today. Also, don't forget, the full step-by-step guide is inside the description, just entering your name and email, so check it out after downloading. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a smart shopping hack again. Thanks for watching. Now go unlock your savings.